We're trying to create something nice, something beautiful. I think I'm going to name this makeup Eid Glam. My team and I came together and the thought of creating something nice, something beautiful for Ramadan. So here we are trying to put things together and creating a beautiful makeup, something very nice. You guys should watch out. Watch out. Yes, it's not
this size.
yes. You want an open back to the hijab, the
Everything have
and that one then let's say this is the hijab now. We having stones around it.
Okay.
Yeah, stones around it to be what's true.
I'm the director of this project, and to me, this is more than just directing a project. It's pouring out a lot of creativity into an already creative project. So I cannot personally wait to see how everything is going to turn out. I am excited, and I hope you're excited too.
When the team reached out to me about the project, I was glad to jump in. I cannot wait to see how beautiful and glamorous the project is going to turn out.
Hi everyone, I'm Dalapa from the Town Models and I'm the model for today's shoot.
about the color, I was so specific because I love baby pink. I don't know what that color does to me. Like I love that color. It's so bright. It gives life.
Right?
Yeah. So I told her that I wanted baby pink or teal green, right? But at the end of the day, I went with the baby pink, and I cannot wait for you all to see this project. And they put a whole lot of effort into this, and I'm not taking this for granted.
Thank you guys so much for sticking with us.
Yeah.
Up until this moment, we appreciate.
Yes, we appreciate everybody, everyone, both our subscribers, our viewers, everyone. We appreciate you. Beauty by Comfort and our team is saying a very big thank you.
Juries from Everything Ashabi on Instagram.
She's the videographer. Well, I don't need to say too much. You can see my videos. She takes them, she works with them and everything. She's good. Like she is good. Reach out to her if you need your YouTube video, Instagram video, editing video, but don't bring burial video. Because I'll be going and editing. She will come true. She will come true.
Beauty by Comfort is a perfectionist, right? So you have to work in details if you're working with her, and it has to come out perfect. If not, you're literally dead. But yeah, I am excited to be with her on this project, and I know that she can do this and she can do many more in future.